Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Manny and behind the camera is Amy. Today what we're going to do is an unboxing of a stand mixer. We got a new stand mixer today. So this is the new one, this is the old one. The old one is broken now because the motor is not strong enough for my sweet dough. So it pops open like that while it's mixing. So that's not good because then I can't walk away from it. I just have to stand here and put my heavy arm on it. So this lasted for about 5 years, so it did its duty. Now we have to retire it. What we got here is a new stand mixer. It's called I don't know what it's called. Aucma? 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 Maybe it's Russian. I don't know. We'll see. This is a 6.5 quart, right, hon? Or is it 8 quart? Well, we'll find out when we open it up. It is champagne color. It is not black like the old one. It is champagne color. We had a choice of red, blue, silver, black, and champagne. Champagne! Champagne, everybody! Okay, not funny. Anyway, that will be cut. My wife likes to do that to me. Hi, hon. Okay, let's continue. Box unboxing. Yeah, we got this off Amazon. We had our choice of colors. We will put the link in the description below. So let's see what we got here. All right, we have a box in a box. How about that? Doesn't damage it, tipping it like that. But I'm sure the UPS guy did the same thing. Okay. Picture's red there, but it's black there. But it's champagne inside. How about that? These are the choice colors. We got champagne, which is like a gold color. We got this one. At least it should be. So it is an Aucma stand mixer. It's supposed to come with a dough hook, cake beater, and a whisk, wire whisk, and a bowl, and a cover so no flour comes flying out. So let's see. One stand, it looks like the same size as the old one. This is the cover that goes on here, so no flour or batter comes out. And it has a hole here where you can pour your mixes into. Instruction booklet. This is the mixing bowl. Wow, these are really small. This is smaller than my other one.
It's about the same size.
Think so?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. No.
That one's small.
Yeah, they're all small. I'm
Okay.
going to see if my other one fits this. This is new. Now these are the accessories that come with it. I'm guessing this is for eggs. You crack an egg in here if you want just the egg whites. Well, that's one use for it. I'll figure out some more uses for it. So I'm going to compare these to my other one. These are from my old machine over here. See, the old one is bigger.
What the heck?
So was that one. And this one as well. I'm going to see if the old ones fit this. No, it doesn't. So this goes like that. This one here. Let's see if it reaches the bottom.
Wait.
No. Same as the other one. Didn't reach the bottom either.
It has a bigger ball.
That's about the same. This lever here lifts this up so you can change your accessories and remove your bowl. The bowl twists on. Like that. Then you have your speeds. You have 6 speeds. P. I have to look up what that means. What does P mean? Pulsate? Might mean pulsate. There's recipes in here too, guys. There's recipes in here. Suggested recipes. Sponge mixture, sponge cake. Linseed bread rolls. Chocolate cream. Ooh. Coffee and brandy ice cream. Ooh. When I find out what the P means, I'll let you know, but I think it means pulse. It'll stir until you let go. That's what I'm guessing. But here's the lid. See, you can put this on here. I guess you have to do it like this because it didn't work so well that way. Just like that. And then here you have your hole to put your ingredients. And this so it doesn't splash out. So I will be using this tomorrow, and we will be sharing that recipe with you in a future video. But I will tell you it's one of my wife's favorite recipes. Right, hon?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So that's it for this mixer, guys. If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and share our videos. That way we can bring you more and more. And if you guys have a suggestion of a recipe that you want to see made, put it in the comments below. Yeah. And with that, I say adieu. Bis später. Auf Wiedersehen. Till next time. Have a great day. God bless.